So today Shashank is helping me to marinate for the first time in my life. I'm not sure how does this come out, but let's see. Again, I think let's see will become my.
इसमें almost 1 tablespoon 1 teaspoon ये ginger garlic paste डाल दो. So just few drops, 2-3 drops.
I can use hand clean the curry.
हाँ.
So ginger garlic paste.
Directly इसमें डाल सकते हो. You can put it directly in.
No, नहीं यार. I'm still a noob, so let me still use my teaspoons well. So why do you marinate Shashank stuff?
Chicken inherently doesn't have a lot of flavor, so if you put it in any kind of spices, it takes on that flavor.
Okay, so since the chicken was frozen, हमने धोया उसको उसके बाद ये सब है ना.
Chicken usually is a bland meat. Mutton has a little bit.
हाँ, इसलिए वो देसी चिकन better taste आता है compared to all of the
boiler chicken.
Boiler chicken side.
अब हम इसमें थोड़ा सा वो डालेंगे, like कसूरी मेथी. तो इसको थोड़ा हाथ में पीस देना, because this is not powder, this is.
Guys, this is kasturi methi, not something which you are thinking of, which we have on weekdays.
Yes.
Mom, dad, hopefully you don't realize this what we are.
Put it in your hand and जैसे मसाला पीसते हैं ना रिक्शे वाले, वैसे पीसो.
बचपन में खैनी बनाना सीख लेना चाहिए था ना.
हाँ.
उसका भी हेल्प करता.
या क्रशर ले लेना चाहिए था.
Okay, देखो this video goes on YouTube, so I cannot go and बहुत editing करना पड़ेगा.
पीछे से आपको नजर आ रहा है, हम लोग भी रेसिपी.
So what's the different technique how to use it here?
Simple. You need to peel off the the layer, top layer. Usually I peel off the onions first layer along with it. So it's easier.
So folks, मैंने given the harder part to Shashank and बाद में chop करना हुआ तो use कर लूँगा. Those are the small tricks I'm applying for today. Else पता चला कि 10-11 बजे तक हमारा chicken बनता रह गया. So let's see how it goes. So guys, trying my hands at cutting, and we already have Shashank who has done the other half of it. I'm just seeing how close I can get to him, and looks like I have at this point of time messed up a technique, but let's see how it goes. I was supposed to do it half and then cut it, but I'll have to again divide further and see. Okay?
For this half, try to hold the half together.
Yeah, I'll try to hold it half together, but I'm not sure. It's like
good enough.
It's like committing to a girl. You don't know when to commit fully and when to leave it up. Holding things are the other difficult part.
True.
And that again tells my state of mind. Shashank is expert in both the kitchen and with relationships. Okay,
everyone is struggling. Everyone is trying.
Still okay.
सही है. So now sideways.
Okay.
And now for final chopping, side chop करेंगे.
So the only objective here is not to cut myself, because
so full force just bring it down and then pull it back.
So this is some like 2 hours later. We have finally managed to cut something here. This includes both Shashank's and my effort. This is again Shashank's and mine effort. So the good parts are Shashank's effort, the bad parts are my effort. That's like a work in progress. Those sprint to me. We'll see where my cutting is, and there's Shashank trying to help me out. So we decided, okay, if Amit decides to cut everything up, we'll be cooking and having dinner tomorrow morning. So it's a safer choice.
Lighting the fire under his ass.
So this will take like. Okay. The house is safe. Shivam, Shashank.
Medium flame. This is full flame. Yeah, this is low flame and थोड़ा सा बढ़ाओ. That's nice. Now increase the.
The house is fine now.
So we have just a bit of oil.
Yeah. So now we'll in the next like 15 or 20 minutes we'll try how this comes up. I'll start with the oil.
हाँ तो. Put a little bit of oil.
Let me know when it's done.
Sometimes it's done.
Okay. Good enough oil.
Yeah.
So we'll move to the next part of it where is I don't know anything. Shashank has.
So we will first wait for the oil to heat a bit.
Okay.
And then उसके बाद we'll put in the खड़ा मसाला as they call it. ये bay leaf, cardamom, long, and the बड़ी इलायची, छोटी इलायची. We don't have बड़ी इलायची, so that will do. We have only short integers. We don't have long integers. True.
Okay. I should do something with my jokes, else it will just start.
And then we will put the jeera, a bit of jeera.
No confluence, only jeera.
Yes, only jeera, and no other fabs or whatnot. Asana bhi nahi, only jeera.
Yeah. So I think we have spent like the last 1.5 hours taking a half an hour stroll, And you can see there today I'm not focusing on the cleaning part. Our house is a little messy, but me being a Ronaldo fan, I don't like my house being messy. Okay, I should stop here. नहीं तो
But still the house is very messy.
yes, the house is very messy. It's not messy in the house, but the house is very messy.
Yes.
Yes. So this is reused oil, no? So why do you use reused oil? I mean, there's no side effect of using the oil over and over again.
So well there are, but you don't just like if you cook it just once, then you don't throw away the oil.
Just because of the money.
We are not Ambani OP.
That's a good
But
thing.
हाँ जो ऑयल है एक बार में उसकी प्रॉपर्टीज खराब नहीं होती, बट डोंट यूज इट अगेन अगेन जैसे दे डू इट इन द मार्केट. सो आई थिंक
As long as we have same set
now
of.
let's put in the khada masala.
Okay, so
Put all of it together, no problem.
no problem.
हाँ,
Pakka.
हाँ.
So
And एक
guys over there, wish me luck, and this is the part where all the architecture planning is done and we are trying to execution phase. So all for my managers, please. This is the part where I always get the feedback. I'm on a good execution thing, and for today I have let Shashank do all the talking. I'll be like a good listener.
चलो इसे थोड़ा सा स्टर करना तो कर देना.
Yeah.
One there. It's done. हाँ, it will pop a little bit. इसे लो कर दो फ्लेम को. Then इसे क्लीन करने की ज़रूरत है. इसको थोड़ा सा just stir it a little bit and then add the chopped onions.
Okay. So before adding chopped onions, do you expect how do I put it? What's the quantity I should do? Taki I don't get it back.
Oh, just drop it slowly. It won't. Till इसमें पानी नहीं, it will not backfire.
Okay.
Just आराम से. On the side, drop from the side. Just drop it. Yeah.
So you can see
Like,
how
just drop it completely ऐसे.
pakka.
In the sense that shake and drop.
Oh.
So half of it is left for you. Side से drop करो. And then हाथ से जो चिपकी हुई है उसे 2-4 को हाथ से गिराओ. And then stir it. And then put the flame on medium now.
And then put that few.
The flame is low, so let's turn the flame to medium.
Wow.
That did not change at all. Bend to full. Did not change at all.
So should high low.
Lower. Slowly decrease. So we have progressed and we have added all the masalas and we have put the tomatoes in. So
I have no idea what I'm doing. Okay. But the only good thing is like it's not that tough. It's tough, but you tell that practice makes a man perfect. So
yeah.
you have to practice.
So now we will add a pinch of table salt. So always add salt after adding tomatoes.
So does the saltiness also come from the tomatoes also? Okay.
नहीं, so tomatoes को हमें usually पकाना पड़ता है. So after you put salt, it osmosis हो जाता है. वो salt absorb करता है, पानी lose करता है और it gets pacified.
This is the reason I need you. मतलब ये I like for the initial
Salt
phase.
adjust कर सकते हैं बाद में, कोई problem.
Salt adjust कर सकते हैं.
Salt अभी हमने कम ही डाला because हमें चाहिए कि हमारा टमाटर पक जाए.
So this looks good.
Yes.
It's like
अभी हम इसे गलाएंगे. So
it's like when you see the caterpillar out of a butterfly, and उस nation stage में ये लग रहा है. Okay. I'm not making sense. I'm just trying to tell.
let's see the caterpillar.
I'm just trying to tell that stuff so that I don't feel nervous. I'm a bit nervous, but I have the best guide, so this will be okay.
So now our the tomatoes have now mashed and they have now pulped. So now you can see the oil is little bit oozing out of the tomato instead of going inside. So these are ready.
And we have our marinated chicken.
अब हम piece by piece में डालेंगे and then we'll put all the dahi in also. We'll put the flame on high.
Notice
नहीं no risk, आराम से बस पटक दो. So you can put.
अच्छे से भूनना है. अब तक हमने
पीछे से कमेंट्री चल रही है हमारी. Now put just all of it in. And हाथ से put all the marination, collect all of it and ऊपर all these are.
So at this point we have cooked the chicken, but this is a little tricky recipe which I was not aware of, and what we're trying to do is basically separate the masala out and the chicken piece out of it, and we'll again cook the masala, we'll grind the masala in a mixer and again cook it back. So a little off track, but let's see how it goes. Finally made a paste out of it, of the gravy, and we're trying to make some more. See, this is why you should not let noobs try these things out.
उंगली से. Do it with the finger.
It will be hot, yeah.
No, it will not be that hot.
I was going to crack a nice finger joke, but just for the older, non-adult audience, they.
That rest you can put some water and then extract it. थोड़ा ठंडा पानी डालो.
Okay, I'm going over there.
Not there, not there. Drinking water.
Shashank, I'll leave your head.
Here we have the chicken pieces. Now, the chicken was half cooked before. Now we are just cooking it in the gravy. And then here we have a sous chef picking out dhania for the last garnishing.
I think I should hold the word chef till the
And I'm careful that I don't give him the sock, otherwise he will be free. So
Good. Most difficult things in life have to be done carefully.
true.
The most difficult part of today is the cutting and this. I think thankfully Shashank pitched in there, else we would have to
Amir would probably have 9 fingers.
9 fingers. Or if I was Ritik, I would have ended up with 10 fingers.
Just a quick comparison: color of our gravy and consistency of our gravy versus color of Kunal Kapoor's gravy and his consistency looks.
This is
quite
all
similar.
because of our champion chef out here who has been helping us.
Actually, this is all because of haldi. We have put a lot of haldi and yellow is from haldi.
No, this is. Here's out after 3 hours, 13 minutes later, and this is how it looks like. We will not get good much of presentation, but I think the taste part looks like okay. And eventually we'll have, unlike the last time, today's judge is Shashank, so we'll see his final review comments. But we haven't fucked it up very bad way, so it should be edible. This is the most important part. So our judge is now trying to drink the gin and the coke. So Shashank will taste it out and find out and this time I'm not influencing. So out of 10, how much marks did we get? So he's taking a bird.
Definitely a solid 8 or 9.
Oh, see, I gave my tea the 7. He coming from him. Shashank looking at the camera and just reiterate what did you say?
Good 8 or 9.
Okay, chalo. Thanks guys. I'll try.